A Namibian opposition political party, Popular Democratic Movement (PDM) leader McHenry Venan says he will take to the streets of Windhoek on Tuesday, October, to protest against the Electoral Commission of Namibia (ECN) $60 million ballot tender allocation to a Johannesburg-based company linked to dodgy Zimbabwean business men Mnangagwa. Sana pena mashoka tuna kuti aiwa Namibia yakuipinza mastreets na uye kupa etenda kwa a company aiwa iri loyal kana inozikanwa kutoita madeals na Mnangagwa. Ndivyo subscribe like turn on the bell. Chipina mnapana mwanyo watsinze. ECN awarded the ballot printing tender to controversial South African Reform CC embroiled in a fraudulent $100 million Zimbabwe's Electoral Commission corruption scandal in Zimbabwe. On Tuesday, 22 October 2024, PDM will lead a march for our democracy in the Windhoek. We call on all Namibians to join us in standing up against this brazen attempt to undermine our democratic process, Vinan said during a rally held at Kitman Shop on Saturday, where he threatened that if no action is taken, PDM will take the matter to court, Vinan said. And if the ECN fails to act, we'll take them to High Court of Namibia. Let me be clear, the PDM will not take this lying down. Thomas Kanoya Tora Pana Pachitre Tena, Pachit Iowa, we want to take it to the streets, trends on courts, trends on High Court. With Iowa, the Electoral Commission Gaibis, tender is 60 million yakapa, Kone Reform CC Kamban, and Nozikama put Iowa, linked to Mnangagwa, and Nozikano put Iowa, and no fraud by elections. To the Mafundo, any mood could leave on Switch, which Pinako section made, subscribe or like, and turn on the bell.